And welcome back to another coding problem explanation video. Today we are solving the LeetCode problem divisible and non-divisible sums different. First let's understand the question. We are given two integer n and n. So from number 1 to n we need to calculate num1 sum of number not divisible by m and num2 sum of number divisible by m. Finally return num1 minus num2. My approach is very simple. I create two variables num1 and num2. Then I run the for loop from 1 to n. If a number is divisible by m, I add it to num2. Otherwise, I add to it num1. Finally, I return num1 minus num2. So now let's move the code. So I create two variables int num1. Both are initially 0 and second num2 equal to 0, and I use for loop from 1 to greater than equal and I plus plus, and I check if I module and not equal 0. So I add num1 I, otherwise num2 I, and finally return num1 minus num2. Now I run the code. All test case passes successfully. So I submit the code. Now let's talk about complexity. Time complexity of OF(n) and space complexity of OF(1). So thank you.